manual breast pump is a simple, hand-operated device used to express breast milk. One of its main benefits is portability. It is lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, making it ideal for travel or occasional use. Manual pumps are also very quiet, allowing mothers to pump discreetly at home, at work, or during nighttime without disturbing others. Another advantage is affordability. Manual breast pumps are generally less expensive than electric pumps and do not require electricity or batteries. They are also easy to clean and maintain because they have fewer parts. Many mothers appreciate the control a manual pump provides, as they can adjust the speed and suction naturally with their hand to match their comfort level. Overall, a manual breast pump is a great choice for mothers who pump occasionally, want a simple and budget-friendly option, or need a reliable pump while on the go.